Chiles Rellenos. Stuffed chilies. A side dish from Mexico. Serves 4. You will need 4 ingredients. Step 1. Toast the chili in a griddle until it's blackened on the outside. Step 2. Make a small cut in the long side of the chili and remove the seeds. Step 3. Cut the cheese into slices and put it inside the chilies. Step 4. Separately, mix the eggs with flour. Step 5. Dip the chilies in the flour mixture and put them in a pan with hot oil. When they look ready, remove them from the pot and eat them. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.